In today's video, I will show you how to activate Boost on Tinder. Tinder Boost is an incredibly popular feature designed to place your profile at the absolute top of the swiping deck in your local area for 30 minutes, giving you up to 10 times more profile views during peak swiping hours. To tap into this algorithm advantage, first open the Tinder app on your device. Once you're on the homepage, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you will easily spot the Get Boosts option, which features a distinctive pink lightning bolt icon. Go ahead and click it. At the top of the menu, choose between Standard Boost, Primetime Boost, or Super Boost depending on how much of a visibility surge you are looking for. Then, select from the available bundle packages displayed. After making your choice, click Continue. Finally, you will be prompted to pay, so just confirm the payment through your connected App Store account to activate your Spotlight period. And that's it. That's how you activate Boost on Tinder.